Hey there, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your computer or laptop. So it's very easy, just follow step by step process. So this is my HP laptop, you can use any of laptop. So first go to search, here is the quick search button and then search for reset and then go to the reset this PC, just click on that. After that you will see this option, recovery reset this PC, just click on the get started. Okay, now here you can see two options, one is keep my files and another one is remove everything. So if you want to keep your files then you can choose this, and if you want to remove everything then you can choose the second option. So I am gonna remove everything, I am going to choose this second option. After that it will getting started, and now you can see two option, another two option, cloud download or local reinstall. So if you want to use this first option you can use, or you can use local installation. So I am going to choose the local option, and then here you can see additional settings. This will be remove all apps, file, do not cling, and delete all files only from Windows drive, reinstall Windows from this device. So I am going to click on next. After that here you can see we can't reset your PC while it's running on battery power. So first you need to plug in your adapter. Okay, so I plugged my charger cable. After that here you can see ready to reset this PC. Just you can read this or you can skip this and then click on reset. Now here you can see the progress, so status preparing 3%. So just wait. Now restarting your PC or laptop, and it's resetting this PC. So now you can see we need to set up the region. So let's choose any of your countries. So I'm gonna choose United States. Click on yes. Is this the right keyboard layout? US, yes. Next, click on yes. Add layout. So I am gonna skip this right now. Let's connect you to a network. You will need an internet connection to continue. Select Wi-Fi or for troubleshooting this. So now we need to connect a network. So I am going to skip this. I don't have internet. Just click on that. So I am going to continue with limit setup. Click on accept. Now write a name. So I am going to write a name. Click on next. Now write a password. So okay, click on next. Confirm password. Confirm your password. Security question. Now you can add security question. So let's see. Security question number 1. What is your first pet name? So click on next. Now just a moment. Click on location enable. Find my location. Just click on accept. So I am going to not now. I don't want to accept it. Just click on not now. Hi. We are getting everything ready for you. So there you go. So we have successfully reset our laptop, and that's how you can reset your laptop. You can remove everything from your laptop or computer. So this is the way. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.